Hi guys, welcome back to 180 Garage Doors. Today I want to make a quick little video on how to replace the battery backup in your garage door openers. If you hear a loud beep here and there, it's probably time to replace these batteries on the openers. And here, we are using a Liftmaster. It's a model 87504 belt drive. And if you come up here on this side, you'll see a little tab. Just pull it open. And this is going to be on the right side if you're standing behind the opener. And you'll see a big battery right here. What you want to do, just pull it out like this, and you'll see there's a red wire and a black wire, and red one's going to the little red square, black one's going to the black square. Very easy, unplug it just like this, grab the new battery, plug it back in, red to red, black to black. Put it in just like this. Shut the cover, and you're good to go. If you like our videos, like and subscribe down below. Thank you.